All right, Badlands Rebuilds. We're out here in Brookings, South Dakota. We're gonna take this 65 VW and we're gonna go rescue an old 58 Chevy pickup. We're gonna do a trade. 65 Volkswagen Beetle. She's on the trailer. We just ran out of gas, so that's good. It started, it was running weird. I could see inside the tank there's not a drop of gas in it. So we're gonna put a little gas in it, but look how the wheels are bowed on this thing. So that's where we're at. We're gonna have to stop up at the gas place and put a few gallons in it and get it going. We're heading over to Huron, South Dakota. We're gonna try doing a straight across trade for a 58 Chevy short box, no motor, no tranny roller. Our next rescue. We'll keep you along for the ride. Here we go. We're gonna head. We're about an hour and 15 minutes away. We're gonna leave in a little bit. This thing's gonna end up with a new home. Hopefully, if not, I mean, this has a title, it has plates, and it's running and driving. That thing is a roller with no motor, tranny, nothing. He wants, like, I don't know, he wants a little bit of money for it, and I think it's a pretty good trade. Yeah, we'll see how it works. All right, Badlands Rebuilds. We're out here with this bug on a gravel road by Huron, South Dakota. We're gonna trade this bug off for an old pickup, and we'll keep you guys updated. The pickup will be in the end of the video. I think it's a pretty good trade. I'm trading a running and driving bug with the title for a pickup with no motor, no engine. Basically a roller, but it's my kind of roller, so we'll see if we get this deal done. Both vehicles have titles. This pickup's titled in Wyoming. It's never been signed over, but that's all right. Hopefully it all goes well and we end up with this pickup on the trailer and this bug's got a new home. We'll keep you updated. It's been a long trip. We're checking out our fifth wheel trailer and getting her loaded up. Now we just got to make this deal. It seems like it's a seal deal, but you know how that is when you trade somebody straight across for something. Anything goes wrong. I'm all right with keeping the bug though, because it is a cute little bug. It does run and drive. It does have a title. This pickup we're picking up is a big project. And Badlands Rebuild's gonna rescue it, and we're gonna try to revive it and put it back on the road. So keep up with us and see what's happening. All right, Badlands Rebuild here. We're out here in the corn. Look how good the corn looks out here. We're out by Huron. That's some good looking corn, I tell you. But we're gonna rescue this baby. We just took off that little Volkswagen bug and we traded her for a 58 Apache short box, step side. She needs a little work. She's a work in progress, but we're gonna give her the rebuild special. Take a gander at it. Looks like somebody did some work underneath it. Somebody put all new brake. I don't know if you can see that. They put all new brake lines in it. I don't know, maybe they put all new brakes in it. So it's a roller. It's a rolling turd. No, I can't say that. It's a Chevy. Everybody likes Chevys. They're worth the money. This side, we had the boxes on with two bolts. We got 3 hours to go. Little Bondo on that. I'm all about Bondo. I like Bondo. Cab is actually pretty good. Doors open. Floors are pretty solid. You know what I mean? That ain't bad. Like their cab's probably worth more on a pickup. Yeah, tell me what you think. Was that a good trade? I traded a 65 Volkswagen Bug. You can go. What are you doing? 65 Volkswagen Bug for 58. Front end's pretty much here. Is missing both bumpers, but the guy did brake work. It's got 4 new tires. Looks like it's got all new. You can see that. All new brakes. Maybe they put brakes in it. That'd be a bonus. It's set up for a 350. It's set up for a 350. They got it all ready to go. Tell me what you think of it. Is it a better vehicle than that Bug? I traded a running, driving Bug. Drove smooth, drove nice for this here bad boy. But I'm all about old pickups, and Badlands rebuild. We'll get her done. So we'll get her done. We might put this on a. I don't know. The frame looks pretty good. Like they did a lot of work to the frame. So I don't know if it's set up for a 350 already. Like they got some new bolts down here, new steering links and stuff. Looks like the frame's been pretty clean. Like cleaned up, and the rails look good. The mounts are set for 350. The tranny things there, that might be difficult to do that. Yeah, it is what it is. No drive shaft, but it's pretty good. This makes two for us. Now we got a 59 and a 58. We're gonna keep collecting. You know, 55, 6, 7, and 8. Them are the ones and 9s. All right, rebuilders, we got her back home. She's on the trailer. Let's do a little bit thorough more walk around on this thing. Looks like they put new tires on it. Pretty new fronts, some wide rears. It looks like they put a new master cylinder up under there. All the wheel cylinders look new except for this front one over here. I don't know if they just gave up on it. Let's go back here. They put all new lines on it. Look like they put new wheel cylinders in. New brake lines are set up. Pretty nice little pickup. The floor's missing in the back. Look how these doors shut. This is pretty good. Open that door. That door shuts nice. That window needs a little work. It's missing the vent thing, but I think I have one of them. End gate box is pretty straight. Not necessarily have to be a 55 or 7 box. That could be a 60s box. I don't know how you tell the difference, but it's got the mount plate on it. This door opens nice. I mean, the floors are good. Pretty darn solid. Usually you got a lot of rust and rot down underneath them. I don't know if you can see that, but this door is pretty darn good. The top of the cab is really nice. Watch how this door shuts. Boy, that's pretty good. That window's cracked out. They're easy to do though. They just string out. I probably have one of them too. Does have a hole through here of rust. Does have some cab corner rust in the back here a little bit, but that's not. It's probably been bonded a little bit more, but the cab is. It's actually real metal in that cab. Fiberglass down here a little bit. This fender, not too bad. I mean, I still think you can buy these fenders. I don't think these fenders are too bad for the. I think it's 58, 59. They had 4 headlights. The bezels are inside. But yeah, not too bad. We'll jump up on the trailer and we'll look at the box. The cab is actually pretty decent. I should probably prime it before it gets all wet. It gets hailed. Here's the box. I mean, still got some wood in it. I mean, most of these are always gone. End gate, pretty good. Yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Put a V. It's set up for a V8. I could pop the hood and show you guys, but we'll open this door first. We'll look in the cab a little bit. I don't know what it says for mileage on it. It don't matter anyhow. It's probably 3 different pickups. Still got the heater in it. The heater box is in it, and the heater core or whatever. It's got some goodies in the glove compartment, but look at the top. Usually up here is where you get all the rust. This baby's pretty darn good. It needs the headliner top up here, which is glued in. They said it had a tank. Let's see. It does have a tank. Still kind of strapped down. They must have pulled it out and did some stuff to it. But I like the way, I mean, the door still has a seal, the rubber seals around the top. mean, them are probably original seals. I don't know where they got this door in this cab, but this cab is in pretty good darn shape. The grip rail is good. Well, I don't know if the window cranks up, but we'll shut the door. Listen to this door shut. That's pretty dang good. Usually they gotta wham them around and get after it. Yeah, I don't know what I'll do. I mean, click, comment. What do you think you guys should do with this? I know I've been doing some 350 stuff and some Ford stuff, and I mean, is this an LS swap project? I mean, did they put a little mud on the door, a little Bondo? But like these fenders, I still think you can order these fenders, these double headlight fenders, and I bet for 250 bucks I put 2 fenders on it, and this body be pretty darn solid. Front end, no bumpers. You didn't have any bumpers, didn't come with it, but the grill's all in it, the emblems in it. We can look down through here and oh, maybe you can see they got some motor mounts in it. They got tranny mounts in it, looks like. They said it's set up for a small block. Yeah, what should we do with it? Comment on it. Should we give it the rebuild special? This one's gonna have to get painted. I don't know if I just leave it like this and make it a running and driving and then worry about that. He has no hood hinges, but I have some for my 59. Hopefully the weather holds up. Hopefully we don't get a tornado and I lose it first night out, but there you go. 58 short box. They called it an Apache, but I don't know if it is. It's probably just a 3100. Yeah, it's hitting a little bit more. Well, we'll be all right. Well, I just need to get it straight, you know what I mean? Once we straighten out, it'll be fine. Them ramps look, I can slide that ramp in. All right, let's go. There you go. How we looking, guys? You're good now, that's fine. You're good. There you go. It's just not. What? No, there you go. We need to get air in that tire, that'll make it a lot easier. Yeah, we'll need to flip the ramps up. You know, it's good there. What do you think? Come off easy, it rolls easy, doesn't it? Yeah. But we probably need to come look at this, Gab. Let's video this a little bit. The hood works here. We have hinges for the other pickup. This has the hinges. Oh yeah, it's got the hinges right there. The 2 there. We could put our hinges on here. We should probably do that. Yeah. Like slap them on, so that way we can leave it sit without. But look at down in here. They look like they had set up for some kind of V8. I don't know if that's the motor mount. It says for a 350. I don't know how that works. A lot of room in there, isn't it? Yeah, there's a lot of room. Pretty clean in here actually too. A little bit of rust up over there. We should sandblast this whole inside and just paint it black real nice before we do anything. Yeah. All right, let's get the air in the tire and let's